Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax of Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Yamaha AR195. This is a beautiful boat that has the full hull color in black, has the upper red top stripe. This boat does include the trailer with the purchase, as does every Yamaha that we sell. Come around to the back of the boat, let me show you some of the best features. One of my favorite features about the Yamaha jet boat is the rear swim platform. You've got bolsters on the back, non-skid sea decking, cup holders, boarding ladder. With the jet drive, you don't have to worry about any outdrive or propeller while you're swinging and hanging around in the back of the boat. Come on inside, let me show you some more. Thanks for joining me inside. The AR195 series comes loaded with a ton of really cool features. This boat has a nice large bow with lower grab handles, speakers, cup holders, and a built-in bow filler cushion as well. Going through the center walk-through windshield, you've got two big storage areas where you can put your beach bags and all your accessories you're gonna wanna bring with you on the lake. This boat has the wraparound seating arrangement, removable cockpit table, removable bow or stern filler cushion so you can have a transom walk-through. There's also a cooler that can store underneath there. You get the water sports tower with the AR195, a digital screen, a phone charger and holder, and a Bluetooth stereo. And with all of our Yamaha jet boats, we include the Yamaha factory canvas cover, a full tank of gas, and all the safety equipment you need to get you started on the water. Come by today and see what we have to offer. Thank you.